Hey, this is Ram, and today I tried with the new strategy, and still I'm analyzing it. Based on that, I got a profit of around 697 rupees only, and the margin here I had used is only around 7,000 or somewhere. So, if it really works well, because I'm planning to still work on this, and if it really works well in the market, I will come up with another video with the demo of this particular strategy. So, coming to the main matter. So today, actually, I came up with an important update given in Zerodha Kite platform. Basically, the broker had given an update for this Kite platform, and I had updated it today. So I will show you what is that particular update and how it is useful, especially for the small and the intermediate trader. So I'm going to the watch list, and if suppose I need to buy Devious Lab, so this one I'm going here, and I'm trying to buy this particular stock. Here actually everything is same as per the earlier update, but only thing is that here you can see this approximate margin and available money in our demat account. So basically this particular details are updated in this beta app actually, Zerodha Guide platform app. So I think this is a very useful update given by the broker. I'll tell you why this is very useful, especially in the day trade, because if we had selected a particular stock and we are going to buy or sell that particular stock in day trading, we will be a bit hurry-burry to place the order, since we don't want to place the order after the movement of the price. So immediately we need to calculate the actual quantity we have to buy based on our available cash in our account. So if we don't know what is the actual margin that the broker is giving for this particular stock, then we need to go and check in the margin calculator, and again we need to go and calculate based on the margin availability how many number of stocks we need to buy, or how many number of stocks we can buy with our available cash. So by that time the price may get moved very drastically if suppose the market is bullish or bearish. So to avoid that delay, we can use this particular update. So I think this is very useful, because see, in Devious Lab, for buying one quantity, automatically it is showing that the approximate margin required is 136 rupees, right? So available balance I have in my account is only 8,383. So for this 8,383, how much number of stocks I can buy? That I can directly go and I can see here. If suppose I need to buy 100 numbers, and if I hit the refresh button here, so here what I'm saying, it is showing that 13,657 rupees is required. So I have only 8,383 rupees. So immediately I can reduce it. Then again I am hitting it. So still it is showing that the margin required is higher than the available cash. So again I can go and hit like this, right? So here I can buy at least around 60 number in quantity for this particular stock, right? So this is one thing. And if suppose we are going to here I had selected a cover order here. So in case if suppose I need a bracket order, so again I think the same amount I need to have, right, for both bracket order and cover order, we need the margin this much, 8,194 rupees. In case of regular order, if I need to put, so we may need 13,657 rupees. So which means that I cannot go ahead with placing the order. So I think this is a very good and useful update given by Zerodha. So especially for the day trader and especially who are trying to capture the small moment in the market can use this very well, right? So this is been updated in the computer application also. Who are doing trading in the computer or a laptop, they can also use this update. So I think it will be very useful. So I'll show this in the system also, in my lab also.
So here let me open this Divis Lab here. I'm trying to buy this stock. Alright. So here you can see this particular dialog box. And earlier this message you cannot see in this particular application, in Kite application. But here also it has been updated, and for buying one quantity you may need 227 rupees. Here you need to change, basically this is stop loss order, and you can change it here, regular stop loss order. So here if you select bracket order, you may need only 136 rupees, 136.58. Even cover order also will be having the same thing, right? Yes. So I think this will be very useful for the day traders especially. So thanks for watching the video. If you feel that the videos are useful, then please hit the subscribe button and like the videos. Thank you.